are heading to Philippines today. We just stayed in Bangkok. We've been in like Thailand for the past 10 days. Ryan and I got here on the 12th of December and we met up with Bill and Dace on the 13th. So we're heading to Philippines today. Mum and Dad are meeting us in Philippines tomorrow and we're spending roughly 3 weeks there. So yeah. So it's day 2 of the Philippines. We arrived last night at about 9 o'clock to our accommodation. Yeah, 9 o'clock. And we're just here at the bus stop, or bus terminal station, waiting for our bus to Moalboal. We've been sitting here for about an hour now. But yeah, we're all pretty tired, it's pretty hot in here. We also got a bus with no aircon, don't know why. It was cheaper. Not sure how long it's gonna be. We have arrived in Moalboal. We got here by bus yesterday and the bus ride was pretty hectic, so we literally just like had some food and went to sleep last night. Mum and Dad are on their way to us right now. They're probably like 3.5 hours to catching the same bus from Cebu to Moalboal. So I think we're gonna go downstairs, well, not downstairs, but outside, have some brekkie, get some water, go to the beach and then catch up with Mum and Dad. Good morning. It's currently just after 4:30 in the morning. We have all just gotten up and we're about to go swimming with whale sharks and head to a waterfall. Oh, so tired still. We're getting picked up in about 10 minutes, so I'm just packing all my stuff together, getting my GoPro and everything. Morning everyone.
Mine's pretty good.
How are we feeling?
Sunburnt.
Yeah, we all got a bit sunburnt yesterday, but are we excited for the whale sharks?
Yes. It is.
Mum's very excited.
I
cannot wait. Just
We just got off the bus. Now we're following our guide and walking, and I may switch to the GoPro soon. But super excited, sun's out, nice day. Not as hot right now, which is good.
Yeah.
I already know what time it is. Whale shark time.